Hey, how's it going? Today in this video, we're going to be talking about IPv4 and IPv6. So IPv4 and IPv6 both use internet protocol that is used to identify and communicate with devices on the internet. So let's start with IPv4, which stands for Internet Protocol version 4. This protocol was developed in 1980s and is still widely used today. IPv4 uses a 32-bit address, which means that there are roughly 4.3 billion possible unique addresses that IPv4 can provide. So with IPv4, each device is given a unique IP address, which is used to be able to send data to and from that device over the internet. IPv4 addresses are usually represented as 4 numbers separated by periods. This will be a similar address to what you see on your screen. The first 3 numbers represent the network that the device is connected to, while the 4th number identifies the device on that network. With the rapid growth of the internet, IPv4s have actually begun to run out, which is the reason why we've created IPv6. So IPv6, or Internet Protocol version 6, was developed to help replace IPv4. IPv6 uses a 128-bit address compared to the IPv4's 32-bit address. This 120-bit address means that there will be roughly 340 under-centillion possible unique addresses. This allows for a much larger number of devices to be connected to the internet. IPv6 addresses are usually represented as 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits separated by colons, such as what you see on your screen. This allows for a much larger number of unique addresses and also makes it easier to allocate addresses to devices based on their location or network. One of the advantages of IPv6 is that it supports a wider range of network devices and technologies, including mobile devices and the Internet of Things devices. It also includes built-in security features such as IPsec, which provides secure communication between devices and the internet. So IPv4 and IPv6 are both important versions of Internet Protocol that are used to identify and communicate with devices on the internet. While IPv4 is still widely used today, the rapid growth of the internet has increased the number of connected devices significantly and led to the development of IPv6, which offers a much larger number of unique devices and supports a wider range of network devices and technologies. As more devices are connected to the internet, it is important to understand the difference between these two protocols and how they work.